hello everyone. I'm sure as you read my email, we got a big idea here, threading. We originally, if you read my memo, we were gonna go light, yarn, eyebrow stuff. Nope, we're going a different direction. Threading, what is it? Well, it's a machining process. It's additive or subtractive. Essentially what it is, it's creating raised grooves in a piece.
Milling is a cutting process that uses a milling cutter to remove material from the surface of a workpiece. Thread milling is the process of creating threads with the use of a mill. Thread milling operates at high RPMs, allowing for faster cycle times and better control over the specifications of the workpiece. The same cutter can be used for left and right threads. It requires a low cutting force, can be used in shallow holes, and the same tool can be used for workpieces of different diameters. It is also important to note that in thread milling, the tool is the part that is turning, as opposed to other threading operations.
Thread turning is one of the most common methods of producing threads. It is very similar to thread milling, but as mentioned, threading by turning involves the rotation of the workpiece and not the tool. The threads are made by moving the tool across the workpiece and then doing that multiple times, increasing the depth but maintaining the speed until it reaches the desired depth or diameter.
Okay, so there's two different kinds. There's internal and external threading. Internal threading is also known as the female and external is the male because the male has threads on the outside and the female has threads on the inside. Some examples would be nuts and bolts, and them together, they make a fastener, and they're used pretty much everywhere, from cars, planes, fire hydrants, doors.
The weird thing is, I'm now exactly where I want to be. I got my dream job at Nuts and Bolts, and I'm still thinking of my old pals. Only now, they're the ones I made here. I wish there was a way to know you were in the good old days before you actually left them. Someone should write a song about it.